With this Python programming challenge, what I'm looking for you to do is to create an electronic version of rock, paper, scissors. So you can see my program here. I've imported random and I've used a boolean while loop to see if the program will carry on running, and we've got options here for 1 for rock, 2 for paper and 3 for scissors. So these are the inputs, and the computer, we can see, is choosing a random number between 1 and 3. So you will enter 1 and the computer enters a number, and then we look at some comparisons. So here I've got a series of if statements. So if user input, so what you enter, is a 1 and computer input is a 1, remember it's picking a random number, then it's not a win because it's a draw. So you both played, number 1 is rock. So you can see what's working here, and every combination is recorded in here. So if the user puts a 2 in and the computer puts a 1 in, and if the user puts a 3 in and the computer puts a 1, then it moves on to if the user puts a 1 and the computer a 2, user a 2 and the computer a 2. So the computer's choices and the user's choices. Now I'm going to put a screen print of this available on Google Classroom for you to help code it. What I'm not going to do is have a whole screen print, so you can see the rest of the code here in the video, only temporarily, but you can work out the other options when you come to code this yourself. The other thing that I want you to do is I'd ask you to include the red hashtag comments and explain what is going on. So this is importing the random library. So I'm not looking for a line of comment for every single line of your code, but explaining what's happening throughout your code to show your understanding of the Python code. So I'm looking for you to create the rock, paper, scissors in Python or REPL, put that work into either a document that you can send to me so I can see that, or send me your actual Python file, or send me your REPL file, and I'll be able to see that you've completed that. Remember, I'm looking for the red hashtag comments in your work.